Hello again. I'm back to share with you the 4 common questions couples have when deciding whether to attend. Ready? Number 1. Will we have to share our personal problems and issues publicly? No, the class does not include sharing problems or issues publicly. All the couples exercises are done privately. Number 2. Must both partners attend or can I come alone? Since the retreat involves couples doing exercises together, both partners must participate. Number 3. My partner isn't a reader. Can we still come to the retreat if he or she won't read the book? Yes, still come to the retreat. While the book provides very valuable information, the class lectures will summarize the content of the book. Each couple will need a couple's guidebook, however, to do the couple's exercises efficiently. And finally, number 4, should we do the exercises in the book at home or save them for the retreat? The lectures will involve doing some of the exercises from the book, so doing them first at home would duplicate some of them. During lecture examples, I'm going to be showing how to and how not to do some of these exercises in order to help participants get the most out of each exercise. There are some exercises in the book that the class will not have time to do, and couples are encouraged to do them at home after the chapter has been covered in class. So I hope that this covers some of the questions that you may have. If not, please reach out and I'll be happy to chat.